This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Joe Quartararo. Charming Cape Cod with a huge heated and air-conditioned sunroom, has its own independent HVAC system. Kitchen is updated with lots of cabinets and a pantry. All kitchen appliances convey, as is. Fenced backyard with maintenance-free vinyl fencing. Storage shed, as is, and a huge detached garage with work area. Upstairs bedrooms are independently heated and cooled. If they are not being used, you can save money by keeping them at lower/higher temps as the seasons change. The yard is large and well maintained. This home sits on a large lot in a cul-du-sac in an established neighborhood. Conveniently located near the interstate, military bases and shopping. 20 minutes to the ocean front and minutes to the Chesapeake Bay and downtown Norfolk. Tell your agent to bring you here first. You'll love it and won't want to see any other homes. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe Quartararo at 757-424-0202.